the most colors of things, and you can play here where I live. I'm gonna start with the treat. I'm gonna really open it for you. Let's start it.
Let's try it.
It's like this is an egg. You can like this. This is a toy. This is the food you have.
And then toys.
Look, I'm gonna show you now, guys. Wait, let me start with the toy.
And then,
Says don't make what I make. Look, this is where's the toy? So big. This is the toy. I don't know how it works.
Ow.
Have a list first.
Humpy, man.
I think it's worth like
Help
this.
help me, Laura.
Humpy.
Okay.
Humpy, Laura.
This is my sister's. It's the girl. See, look how the boy and the girl. This is the girl. She's for girls.
Baby, baby,
Let's open it.
baby.
Okay, let's continue. Here, sis. Again, push like this.
Thank you, Laura. My dear.
This one
Thank
like
you.
This and guys, look.
Oh!
This is a character. I didn't know how it works. Oh, I think you'll read it. And this. Then let's see the list. Wow. You can draw. Cap. I guess you can draw. Let's see. You can draw, guys. Look. Wait. And pink. This one's white. There was a little bit yellow. Come close, Mom. Look, it's a little bit yellow.
Mom.
Last thing. I have some colorful pencils, but this is the other video I'm gonna make tomorrow. Let's start with this. It's so
That's why
sweet.
it is.
No, you're not gonna win this.
Let's win this.
Oh my goodness! Gooey, 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 gooey. Make slime. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. I'm gonna open now for show to my friends. Hey, sis. Can I make today, Mom? Dad, come on, please help me. How am I gonna make this? Can you say? We're gonna need a cup of water for this. I don't know to make slime.
No, it's not water.
Oh, it's this type of.
Yes. Look
Ooh, it's gonna be yucky, yucky,
Wait.
yucky.
how to prepare.
How to prepare? Okay. Now we can continue our video. I was stopping for a break because we were trying to see how we're gonna do on the list, and we're gonna start with this. Then we continue for that where it is. Yeah, let's
Put
start.
half of
Tem
it.
que falar pra pedir ajuda do papai e da mamãe, né?
You have to
You
put half.
need to say to somebody help you. Is good.
No, no.
Can you help? Can you put it for me? I can put it because I'm scared. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, I can do a little bit slide.
No, that's stuff.
Oh yeah, almost finished my slide. Then we're gonna put this
Yes, you can put a little bit of this. Let me see.
like 2 or drop.
Filha,
like
deixa que o
2
papai
droplets.
coloca, cuidado.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me see. How it goes.
Okay.
Let me see. No, little more.
Well, now guys, we need to mix.
Smaller.
Really slow. Ooh, starting to get a little yucky bucky, yo. Ooh, yucky.
Come on, start mixing.
Continue mixing, guys.
Which you gonna put?
I'm gonna put the bubbles.
Okay, continue mixing.
Bubbles.
Okay. guys, I'm gonna put the bubbles. Yeah, a little bit more. Which type of this? This is 2.
Mix, 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 mix.
Okay. Guys, it's gonna be the best slime I've ever seen. Do you have slime in your heart? Comments down below. Done. Let me try to make lonely.
Pause.
Guys, do you want to see this? I tried to.
Okay, so
It's ready? Okay. Can I get my hands on? Oh my! Wait, no.
no, you have to wash your hands after this.
I can't. Why?
Guys, look at this. I made it with bubbles. Oh my!
Laura, deixa ela fazer um pouquinho também, filha.
I cannot really open my wrist and stuff. So cold, my brother. Guys, I know a lot of language. Sis, don't get my lips slime.
Ficou um pouco duro, não?
Bye, guys. I'm gonna miss you. Tomorrow we continue with my other surprise. Bye. Link the comments up. Guys, I'm gonna try to make it real funny. Look, it's a how I say a boom. Wait. Oh, guys, look. See that?
Ê, peidorreira!
Eu não tô peidando, mãe. É o slime. Pera. Droga de lado. Again. Change side. It's slime, guys. It's not Play-Doh. Slime.
Wait,
She have glitter.